This motorhome is the Coral Supreme 670DL from Adria. There's the price, 111,320, and there's the size, 749 by 230 by 289. So 7.5 meter campervan, motorhome, and right, face to face in the lounge. And over here got a kitchen block with a wide range, 3 hobs and sink, of course. Storage under the kitchen block. Over this side we'll find the fridge. Over here we've got the shower with a bar at the top so you can wash your socks. On the other side of that there will be the toilet. You can close this door here like that. There's the toilet. There's me in the mirror with a roof light. And over here we have got the bedroom, windows on either side, and that really big window at the top. This is a German layout, so one of these cushions here, so this wire, that will fit in here. There's a board for it as well, but I'm just trying to give it. Anyway, that fits in there like that. Gives you this enormous bed. Bit difficult to see with all the other stuff on top of it. There you go. That should have come up there, and then I'll put it in. That might even make it even easier for you to see. Does that make any difference? No, it doesn't. Never mind. All right, then won't worry about that. You've got the general idea. That's down here. Bit of storage. That's your wardrobe, and on the other side we've got some drawers. So there we go. Nice drawer as well. Proper drawer. In this, we'll also find storage in the steps up to the bed. It is quite an expensive vehicle, I know, and anyway, fortunately, that's what they tend to cost these days. Flat floor all the way from the bed to the front of the vehicle, and down here I'm guessing, I don't really know, but I'm guessing we're going to find the water tank. I'll show you the storage under here as well whilst I'm in the area. Right, Fiat Ducato base, lots of light will come through. It's got these wonderful panoramic roof windows in the vehicle, and that's a very quick overview of it. Let's have a quick look outside, and I think I've done a longer video of this one somewhere. There you go. There's a look at this fantastic garage in here. Note also it's got this 12 volt supply, there you are, and a 230 shore power as well. So comes prepared. Got cubby holes there, and cubby holes all up, in fact, all the way around to keep things in your garage. Right, good. So that's it. Coral Supreme 670 DL, the cost of 111,320 euros. I hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15, and you'll find a large selection of motorhomes on this channel. This is Caravan Salon. It's the largest trade fair in the world for motorhomes and campervans, and I come here every year. If you're interested in Adria vehicles, you will find their entire range on this channel, but they may not necessarily be the most recent ones, but in the past I have actually for absolutely everything. So at the moment, thanks for watching. All the best from me. Bye for now.